Wendy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're replacing a shower head. This is an old Symmons 40-year-old shower head, and it stopped working properly, so we're going to replace this for my folks. So there's a couple of ways we could replace this. We could simply remove the head and put on a new one, or we could take off the shower arm as well. This is the shower arm. And if you do that, that pipe just comes out straight from the wall. So we'd likely want to replace that pipe as well. After talking to my folks, they just want a new shower head put on. So we're going to leave the old chrome piece on there and put on a new head. To remove the old shower head, we need an adjustable wrench. Slide this on, tighten it securely. So this was installed about 40 years ago, and I'm not going to replace this pipe because everything is soldered together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reuse this, and I'll screw it back on and then put the new shower head on this. So I'm going to clean this up with some steel wool and just wipe those fibers off. And when you put your plumber's tape on, you want to go in a clockwise direction, because when you screw on the next piece, the shower head, it will also be in a clockwise direction, and otherwise it will come undone. I'm going to do it 5 times around. So this is the nipple to connect the shower arm out of the wall to the new shower head. And what we need to do is also thread this again in a clockwise direction. Okay, we've got some fresh tape on here, and like I said, this is soldered in the wall. So we are going to use this old shower arm. It's a Symmons. And you just want to make sure those threads go nice and straight. Okay, so now I'm inserting a stainless steel male-to-male nipple. This is 1/2 inch, which is the standard opening for plumbing, shower plumbing, by 1.5 inches. So I want to put this in first, and then I'll be putting the shower head on the other end. You can use an adjustable wrench or another type of wrench to get it in there a little bit more tightly. I'm installing a Moen Magnetics, so it has a magnet. You can take it down and easily snap it back on, and it has 6 different spray settings. Now we hand tighten the magnetic shower head bracket onto this nipple. You just want to hand tighten it. This is plastic. You don't want to break it. And now we'll hand tighten the shower hose, putting a washer in here to the shower head.
Oh, that's not nice. Look at that.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is a fairly easy project that anyone can do. This one required a little modification, but we made it work. And I also want to wish my folks a happy 67th wedding anniversary. It's their anniversary today, and I couldn't be more proud. Here's the lovely lady. Have a great day, guys.